three bells ring at an interval of 4, 7 and 14 minutes. All three bells rang at 6 a.m. Then the three bells will be ring together next. To find out this time, we have to find out the LCM of these three numbers, that is 4, 7 and 14 minutes. LCM of 4 is 2 cross 2, LCM of 7 is 7 cross 1 and LCM of 14 is 2 cross 7. The two common factors between these three are 2 and 7. So 2 power 2 into 2 into 7 power 2. To find out the LCM of these three, we take 2 from 2 power 2 and 7 from 7 power 2 and multiply this two values by 2, we get 28. So LCM of 4, 7, 14 is 28. So the three bells will be ring together next at 6:28 a.m.